welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano keyboard accompaniment Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. So I've left my other Fleetwood Mac tutorials linked in the description, as well as where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this song. I'll just sing as a reference, so let's dive in. So debatably, this one I would say ultimately is in the key of A minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A minor. So we're just using all the white keys today. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. So it is pretty much the same two chords most of the way through. There are some variations here and there. So we'll look at the intro first. Again, we are looking more at what the actual keyboard part is doing, which is like a classic electric piano sound, which I'll demonstrate later on in the video, but I'll teach it in the piano sound for now. So if I just play the intro for you. So the intro we're going to play the same way as the verse and the pre-chorus as well, so it's a very big chunk of the song. So the first chord is F major, so we're going to play F. And the right hand, the second inversion of F major, so that's C, F and A. So we're going to go left, right, left, left, right, left. And then I'm going to move that shape up one to G major second inversion. So G in the left hand and then D, G, B in the right hand. And here we're going to go left, right, together. And then we repeat. And we do that 4 times. And then we do that 8 more times for the verse. And now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness. And then it carries on to the pre-chorus 6 more times. Like a heartbeat drives you mad in the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost. And what you had, and what you lost. Oh, thunder. And then we're into the chorus. I'll demonstrate that what we've just done there with the electric piano sound as well, which is very, very similar to the one in the recording. Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. But listen carefully to the sound into the chorus. So then, if I change it back to the piano sound, we're going to look at the chorus. So we're going to keep the rhythm pattern exactly the same, but the chords are slightly different. We have an F major 7, so we're still going to just play F to G in the left hand. That's going to be the same. But the right hand is only going to play A, C, E. So effectively, in the right hand, it's just an A minor chord, but with the F, it makes F major 7. So we go, oh, thunder only happens when it's... And then there we have A minor over G. And we do this 8 times for the chorus. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. You will know. And then we're into this interlude. So this is the only bit of the song that's different, and then the rest of it we've already covered. So we have this F major 7 chord again. The chords are just really held down, so I'm just going to keep it simple and hold them down. And this is where there's some sort of like solo going over the top of it. So we have F major 7, 2, 3, 4. And then we have G major for 2 bars. So I'm going to play it G, B, D. We were playing it here before, but I'm going to play it here now. So F major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 2 beats of F major, F, A, C, to 2 beats of G. And then we have 4 beats of A minor. So this is the only time we actually get what I think is the root chord with the bass note in the whole song. So A in the left hand, and then A, C, E, how we've played it in the chorus for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. G for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then F major 7. So that's basically the chords for the interlude. So I'll do that again. And then it's into the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, but twice as long, the second chorus, and then the outro. So there's not going to be anything new. So I'm just going to try and continue all the way to the end. Then I'll explain the very, very last little part. Now here I go again, I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams and have you in your dreams you like to sell. Dreams of love. So at the end there, it ends on an F major 7. So you can just split the chord and it ends on the E. So it ends on the 7th part of the F major 7. And it's up to you how you embellish it at the end. Of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.